The United States would seek more than the mere reduction or elimination of atomic materials for military purposes. It is not enough to take this weapon out of the hands of the soldiers. It must be put into the hands of those who will know how to strip its military casing and adapt it to the arts of peace.
The Atoms for Peace speech was delivered on December 8th, 1953. It was driven by his deep concern about the power of the atom and the huge atomic arsenals that were being developed, and his desire to basically turn swords into plowshares, as the Bible says.
This greatest of destructive forces can be developed into a great boon for the benefit of all mankind. The United States knows that peaceful power from atomic energy is no dream of the future. That capability, already proved, is here, now, today.
And the great thing about Eisenhower is he didn't just talk the talk, he walked the walk. He made the enriched uranium available for peaceful use globally. He made the peaceful use technology of commercial reactors available at the shipping port reactor. That combination of strategic vision and practical application is something that inspired me my entire career.
Against the dark background of the atomic bomb, the United States does not wish merely to present strength, but also the desire and the hope for peace.
The fact that Centrus is now returning to the enrichment of uranium, the first new production of enriched uranium in a U.S.-owned plant with U.S. technology since 1954, is absolutely critical to our long-term non-proliferation efforts. We must be out there in the world market exporting our enriched uranium, because along with those exports go all of the non-proliferation conditions that are required in U.S. law.
The United States pledges before you, and therefore before the world, its determination to help solve the fearful atomic dilemma, to devote its entire heart and mind to find the way by which the miraculous inventiveness of man shall not be dedicated to his death, but consecrated to his life.